Did you know that the rarest and most expensive Pokemon card sold for over $5 million at auction in past years? Join me as we dive into the fantastic world of Pokemon trading cards, uncovering mind-blowing facts that every fan needs to know, from legendary to epic battle. Let's explore what makes this game a collector's dream. The first set of Pokemon cards were released in 1996 containing 102 cards. In 2023, an Illustrator Koro Comics promo card Pikachu Illustrator card sold for over $6 million at auction, making it expensive Pokemon card ever sold. The Black Star Ishara GX promo card, this card sold for over $247,230 and is considered a monumental sale in the history of collectible cards. The Bronze Pikachu number 3 Trainer Trophy, this card was given to the 4 competitors who placed third in the first Pokemon tournament held in 1997. The EX Deoxys Rayquaza Star, this card was released in 2005 and features a shiny Pokemon, which was a big deal at that time. Card value. The value of a Pokemon card depends on many factors including its rarity, age, popularity in competitive play and the number of cards printed. Trading tips. When trading Pokemon cards, you can take steps to save and fair, such as knowing the value of your cards, checking the condition of the cards, and meeting in a public place.
2,000 years later.
Huge card production. Over 53 billion Pokemon Trading Card Game have been produced worldwide as of 2023. Origin in Japan. The Pokemon TCG was first released in Japan and quickly gained global popularity. Basic mechanics. The core gameplay involves building a deck of Pokemon cards, using them to battle against an opponent's Pokemon and aiming to knock out of all their Pokemon to win. Rarity tiers. Cards are categorized by rarity, with common being the most frequent and secret rare being the most sought after. Evolution mechanic. Many Pokemon cards can evolve from lower levels to more powerful forms, adding strategic depth to deck building. Competitive scene. Professional Pokemon TCG tournaments are held worldwide, with the players competing for prizes and rankings. EX and GX cards. Special EX and GX cards often have powerful abilities but can only be played once per game, adding strategic considerations. Tag Team card. Recent set introduced Tag Team cards featuring 2 Pokemon together with unique attack combinations impact on collection. Culture. The Pokemon TCG has significantly contributed to trading card collecting hobby, attracting collectors of all. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and share with your fellow fans. Don't forget to subscribe for more amusing content.